In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make emails mobile-friendly in Mailchimp. Since most people check their emails on smartphones and tablets, it's extremely important to make sure your email campaigns look clean, readable, and easy to interact with on smaller screens. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to preview your emails on mobile devices and make simple adjustments directly inside Mailchimp's editor. To begin, open the email campaign you're currently working on in Mailchimp. This can be a draft campaign, a regular email campaign, or even an automated email sequence that you've already started creating. Once the campaign overview page appears, locate the section where you can manage the email content. From there, click on the option labeled Edit Design to open the Mailchimp email builder. Inside the editor, you'll see all the elements that make up your email, including text sections, images, buttons, and layout blocks. By default, Mailchimp usually displays the desktop version of the email design first. While it may look perfect on a computer screen, it's important to also check how everything appears on mobile devices before sending your campaign. At the top of the editor toolbar, you'll notice different device preview icons. One represents a desktop screen, while the other represents a mobile phone. Click on the mobile phone icon to switch the preview into mobile view. The editor will instantly display a narrower version of your email, helping you see exactly how subscribers are likely to view it on their phones. Now, slowly scroll through the mobile preview and carefully review each section of the email. Pay close attention to headings, paragraph spacing, images, and buttons. Sometimes text may wrap awkwardly, buttons may appear too small to tap comfortably, or images might not scale properly for smaller screens. This is completely normal, and the preview exists specifically to help you catch these issues before your email goes live. If you notice anything that needs improvement, click directly on that content block inside the preview area. Once selected, the Settings panel on the left side will display customization options for that element. Here you can adjust font size, spacing, alignment, padding, and other layout settings to make the design more mobile-friendly. For example, reducing the size of a large headline can improve readability, while increasing button spacing can make links easier to tap on touchscreens. After making any changes, look back at the mobile preview to confirm that the update improved the overall appearance. You can freely switch between desktop and mobile previews as often as needed to ensure your design looks polished across all devices. Once everything appears clean and easy to navigate on mobile, your email campaign will be ready for a much better user experience. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.